All right, guys, you have reached Regina TV, and I am doing my face for today. But my ultimate goal is to move towards not really wearing a lot of makeup. So I thought I would bring this to you. Now, I'm gonna tell you everything that I ended up doing to my face, for like a daily thing. But guys, one of the things to enhance your look, if you're thinking about letting makeup go, one of the first things you should get is a magnifying makeup mirror. Okay, because that mirror is going to tell you the quality of your skin, which is going to enhance how you look without makeup once you address what you need to do. I don't know what my makeup choice is going to be today, but y'all will see that coming up. I will be getting rid of makeup. Now, if y'all go back and look through my videos, y'all will see that I really am not a makeup wearer. I really don't wear makeup. The main things that I basically wear when it comes to makeup is basically what it is, maybe some lip gloss, Carmex, something like that, filling in my eyebrows, and let's see, lashes, and from time to time contacts. So before making any alterations to my face, I look like this before makeup. So even though I told you that I'm only going to be putting on a few things to enhance my look, let's see if I can do it right. There we are. I will be getting rid of those few things that I mentioned to you guys as time go along. You know what I'm saying? Just to have my natural beauty. That's almost like leading myself into it. Now, once I get my contacts in, if that's what I'm going to wear that day, I like to go ahead and then I like to moisturize. Now, guys, the thing with my moisturizer, I'm gonna tell you the truth. My serum does not really go good with my moisturizer. It seems like it clumps up. But I know I need to apply both, but I don't. Not all the time. So right now, I am just putting on my serum, and I love what it has been doing for my skin. So I'm just going to apply this all over, and then I'll be back. Now, that's not with all of my moisturizers. Some of my moisturizers, okay. So I am going to use a L'Oreal Revitalift moisturizer on top of this and see if it will mesh better with my serum, because you're supposed to wash your face, tone it, put your serum on, and then your moisturizer. With my other moisturizer, like I said, it clumps up. Hopefully with this one it won't, and then that'll tell me what to do from there. All right, well, that is on. Look at how my face is shining and it's moisturized. I just gotta do the rest of my body. Now I am about to apply my brows. And guys, I'm gonna tell you, I love bleaching my brows. I haven't did it in a minute. One of the reasons why I love bleaching my brows is because, for one, it will allow your hair to just match seamlessly with your pencil or whatever brow gel you use or whatever, and it grows back so fast. So if you make a mistake on that, that's nothing, because your eyebrows replace itself so fast it don't matter. So now I am about to fill in my brow, and this is just a basic chocolate espresso pencil from the beauty supply store. My journey to stop wearing as much makeup has been a pleasant one. And I love it. So if I'm loving it, I'll probably keep going until I just don't wear any makeup. Now, the reason why I say I do my brows is because for a long time I pluck my brows, and in certain areas, my hair and my brow, it's not going to grow, so they're very sparse. So that's why I said I will always fill in my brow. I don't really want to do that temporary like tattoo stuff, because if they don't fill in my brow right, I'm going to be walking around looking crazy or really trying hard to get that stuff off my brow. So far, I only put on my brows, moisturize my face. I put on some contacts, as you can see that. So guys, I got some L'Oreal, 500 lip gloss. Just throw that on. Oh, I didn't put on no lashes. See, it's gonna be easy for me to transition from makeup to slowly getting rid of things, because I thought I was done. I said, wait a minute. Lashes. Let me put on some lashes. Guys, my lashes are thin. That's why I forgot that I almost didn't have them on. So when it comes to lashes, I will either wear mascara, lashes, or sometimes just an eyeliner, to enhance it that way. But let me put these on. I thought I would just show y'all the difference between this side and this side. So on days when you just don't want to go this side, you have different options with this side. Well, I got my lashes on, and guys, I don't like it. So I'm gonna try maybe some liner, if anything. All right, I decided to cut the lash in half and just put them on the end. And that's one of the reasons why I like lashes, guys, because with mascara and liner, you have to wash that stuff off, get makeup remover. But with the lashes, I can just take them things off and keep it pushing. So all together, guys, I have 4 things on: my brows, half of a lash, contacts, and lip gloss. And that's all it takes, just to give subtlety to my look. And as time goes on, I will alleviate one of these things until I'm down to just my brows, because I'm always going to fill in my brows. And now I'm going to look like this. Damn! Well, guys, you have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell so you'll know my next video is coming out. Like this video. And until next time, guys, come on back and visit me because I love it. And I will talk to you later. Mwah.